Welcome back everybody to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a beautiful 1997 Nissan Pickup truck. Awesome condition with a black paint job, gray cloth interior. It is a 5-speed manual car. It's got a 4-wheel drive as well. Just a great all-day, everyday work truck, get-around car. Very reliable. It cruises, shifts so smooth. All around phenomenal car here. Show you the back there. Very, very well taken care of. Bed's in great condition. Backside view. Jump up into the front real quick. Show the clusters there. It does have 198 miles, but this thing was taken such good care of. You can tell with the dash, the inside interior, the headliner. It was definitely a garage car that was treated with a lot of respect. Blows ice cold air, strong radio. So let's go ahead. We'll check under the hood, take her for a spin, and put her on the lift. Hey Roy.
How you doing?
Good. Thanks for taking me for a spin.
Ready to go for a ride in this nice little pickup truck?
Yeah, this thing's sweet.
Got a 5-speed manual transmission. It runs really, really well.
Blows nice and cold.
Nice and cold.
Yeah, these are nice little work trucks or everyday cruisers.
The fellow that had this took very, very good care of it. As you can see, inside and outside the vehicle, it's spotless. Shifts very smooth.
Nice and straight down the road.
Look at this.
Awesome steering wheel,
Yep.
no rocking. Sweet.
Nice car. Nice truck.
Very nice truck.
All the lights, windshield wipers, backup lights, everything works. It even's got a nice stereo in it.
Perfect.
It works very well.
Oh yeah. All right. We'll go ahead and swing this around and go put her on the lift. Thanks, Roy.
You're welcome.
All right. Got her up here on the lift. Let's take a look underneath. Just as clean underneath as she is up top. Awesome undercarriage. Very, very strong, sound body. Swing around here to the back. Just that little bit of surface rust. But that is all she is. I mean, such a strong, strong car. Nothing eating through or nothing like that. Beautiful ride. And if you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call. Love to do a live FaceTime with you as well. Show you anything you might want to see. And if you're in the area, please come stop by. As always, appreciate you stopping by on the video. And have a great day.